What would you do if you woke up next to a giant rabbit in your yard one day? If there was a world record for the largest pink bunny, it would go to the now decomposing giant pink bunny called Hase, resting in the mountains of northern Italy. There's a 5,000-foot high spot in Italy's Piedmont region called Colletto Fava, where a local art group left a giant bunny as an art installation. Its arms were spread out with eyes wide open in a creepy sort of way, and its insides were spilling out onto the mountain. The giant stuffed bunny appeared in 2005 and was so large it was visible from Google Earth cameras. Opposite tiny adorable bunnies, this bunny is 200 feet long and around 20 feet thick, stuffed with straw and created using soft, mostly waterproof materials. But who made the giant bunny anyways? The giant pink bunny was hand-knitted by an art group from Vienna called Gelatin. 4 artists who met in 1978 formed a group in the 90s. They all attended a summer camp together, and since then they've been playing and working together. Gelitin says that the toilet paper pink bunny was created as a rabbit mountain. They wanted people to climb on it and explore it, even to rest on its soft belly. They also said that the rabbit was meant to look as if it dropped from the sky. From its side flows its heart, liver, and intestines. The rabbit took almost 5 years of sitting and finally found its final resting place in the Italian Alps. The intention was to have people visit it over the long term, and it seems like the group has reached their goal. Intended to be there indefinitely, Gelatin had continued to visit the piece every few years to photograph its demise. Now the question is, can you visit the giant stuffed bunny today? You can definitely visit it, although the giant pink bunny has now mostly decomposed. By 2016 it had been reduced to mostly fuzz and fluff. The bunny was originally bright pink, but now it has turned grey and it's slowly rotting back into the earth. The bunny is expected to entirely disappear naturally by 2025. Without any doubt whether the giant bunny was hated or appreciated, it left no one indifferent, which in the end was one of the goals. Gelatin also succeeded in the challenge of building an impressive sculpture which in no way damages the surrounding countryside. A work of art, therefore, which respects nature and moreover was totally free and open to all. The Hase, which now almost no longer exists, will nevertheless have amazed a lot of people who were going to navigate on Google Earth to observe it from the sky. Other people were even luckier, such as the pilots of the planes that would have flown over the area and even the cosmonauts living on the International Orbital Space Station. Can you imagine their smile when they discovered the spectacle of a pink rabbit resting in the mountains? So what do you think of this incredible work of art? Did it impress you? Give us your thoughts in the comments.